Hello, my lovely Aquarius. Welcome to my channel, and I welcome you all with my whole heart. And thank you so much for liking my channel, for liking my video. And I'm very happy to help you out, Aquarius. So, this is your bonus love reading. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. And also, it's not compulsory that it will resonate with each of you, so take it as your situation. Okay, Aquarius, you have to take according to your situation, whatever is resonating according to you. But I am here to help you out. Let's see, Aquarius. I have already done your main reading, in which I have tell you that some communication is coming towards you, Aquarius, with this Eight of Wands. Okay, some communication is coming towards you, and you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You know the truth, Aquarius, and you will ready to cut any of the bullshit or any of the lies, deceptive people or energy around you. But you are cutting the energy with the person who put you in a third party situation, who gives you only pain, heartbreaks, heartaches, okay, suffering, heart sufferings, who only give you negative energy to you, who give you lots of bad things in the situation. Maybe some of you were married to the person with this Hierophant energy, or you were in a serious relationship or in a committed relationship with this person. In that relationship, you are putting so much efforts. Okay, you are putting so much efforts, you are working so hard. Okay, you are giving your 100% to that relationship, but now you are ready to cut them off. Now you are ready to cut them off with this Queen of Swords energy, and now you are single and abundant. Okay, in your own way. Now new person is coming in your reading, Aquarius, in your life. This may be your soulmate. This is your soulmate. Okay, so this is your new person who wants to give you all the emotions, all the things which you deserve. Okay, Aquarius. Wow, who knows the value of emotions, who is stable, who in this person life, emotions are more important. Okay, Aquarius, other than the materialistic things, or who will make you to the calmer waters. This person will make you to the move towards the calmer waters, Aquarius, and you're putting an end to the past situation. You are ending a situation so that something new can happen, and you are completing a cycle, a karmic cycle. You are healing yourself. You are taking the energy of hermit. You are looking answers from within self. Okay, and you are getting new hopes and desires in your life. So let's see, Aquarius, a deeper meaning of these cards. Let me explain you what is the meaning of Eight of Wands. Help me out to explain the meaning of Eight of Wands. Three of Pentacles. Explain the meaning of... Okay, so many cards. I'm not going to take it. Explain me the meaning of Eight of Wands. Help me out to explain the meaning of Eight of Wands. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Knight of Swords is the bottom of the deck. So yeah, Aquarius, you are getting communication. Three of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Chariot. You are getting communication, and you are rising as a Chariot. After this communication, you will get to know the right and the wrong, okay, of the situation. You will get your answers. Chariot energy, you will be the winner, Aquarius. After this communication, you are more focusing... Five of Cups, you were more focusing on the things which were fallen out, which were, you were feeling very sad, but after this communication you are rising as a chariot. You know what is right and what is wrong. You know the difference between black and white. You are rising as a chariot after this communication. Okay, let me see what is Three of Swords. Help me out to explain the meaning of Three of Swords. Wow, that was quick. Yeah. Four of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. You were getting sleepless nights. You were not sleeping properly because of this Three of Swords energy. And you were resting and rejuvenating. Can you see there is a heart in this, and this girl is sleeping in the nest. Can you see there is a heart, and in which there are stitches in the picture? If it's clear. Okay, so there are stitches in the heart. So they put you in a third party situation. They give you only heartbreaks and all. You are still ready to put an efforts, but you were having so much of, Aquarius, you were not in a good situation with this person. Nine of Swords energy is not a good energy. I can feel it out. You were not able to sleep properly. You were having sleepless nights because of this situation. Wow. Let's see. What is Eight of Pentacles? This person has given you a lot of toxic things in your life. You are putting so much in this relationship, and in return there was no equal amount of give and take. You are having sleepless nights. Okay. Six of Wands. Yeah, you are putting so much efforts in the relationship. What is the meaning of Eight of Pentacles? Help me out to give the meaning of Eight of Pentacles. What is this Eight of Pentacles? What is the meaning of this Eight of Pentacles? Help me out to explain the meaning of Eight of Pentacles. So many cards. Knight of Swords. See? Yeah. Justice is there at the bottom of the deck. Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. Can you see there is a Nine of Pentacles again? Again there is a Nine of Pentacles. So yeah, Aquarius, there was some energy. Knight of Swords energy. There was some energy. You were trying so hard, but this person has given you this Three of Swords only. You are putting so much effects. You want to succeed in the relationship. You want success. That's why you are putting so much efforts. Okay, you are putting all your 100% in the relationship because you want to be success. You want get victory. You will trying your level best to save this relationship, to save yourself, but you are not able to save this relationship. This person is only giving you this energy. Can you see these two cards? Three of Swords and Ten of Swords. Backstabbing, hurts, and this is the last card of Ten of Swords is the last card in Tarot, Aquarius, in Swords energy. They have put all the swords in you. They have already crossed all the limits, all the boundary, all the things, whatever they can give you. Okay, they have given enough of hurts. Okay, can you see this girl is crying, shouting, screaming, because they have put you in a third party situation. And again there is a World card, Aquarius. World card, second confirmation from both decks. This in your main reading too, there was a World card. So yeah, you are completing a cycle because there is a Ten of Swords. This is the completion. That's why you are completing a cycle, Aquarius. And this is by sequence. This has come. Not like this, not like, it's like this. Okay, they have given you this third party situation. They have put you in a third party situation. Okay, they have given you all the hurts, hearts, pain. Okay, they have given you all the bad things which they can give you. They have given you Ten of Swords energy, all the swords in the back. Okay, all the I can say bad things, whatever they can give you, and you are completing a cycle. And now you are rising as King of Wands. Again, very passionate, creative. You are getting back with this Nine of Pentacles. Now you are single, abundant. You get to know this, that you are single, abundant, and the passion, creativity. You are taking the energy of King of Wands. You are someone who is very creative, very passionate, loving person, who is full of creativity, imagination, okay, intuitive. This is the passionate beginning. Can you see a fiery image? Okay, this man is holding a fiery image. You are taking the energy of King of Wands, and you are again getting up again and taking the energy of Nine of Pentacles, single and abundant. You know your worth. Now you know your worth, that you deserve best, Aquarius. You are full of passion, creativity. You don't deserve this energy, Aquarius. That's why this is something that you need to cut them as soon as possible, I can say. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, if you have not cut them out, you have to cut them out. And there is 10 of swords and 9 of swords. You are completing your swords energy. Okay, they are completing it. They have given you lots of pain and all. You need to cut them off as soon as possible, Aquarius. So yeah, you are completing, and you are rising as Nine of Pentacles, and the next card is Nine of Pentacles, Aquarius. That's why you are rising as Nine of Pentacles. Wow, superb. Can you see from the board deck I'm getting Nine of Pentacles. So yeah, Aquarius, you get to know your worth because you're completing a cycle of karma, okay? You're completing it. You are putting an end. Wow. Let me see. And that's the Justice bring for you. Let me see, what is this King of Cups mean? Help me out to know. Okay. That was fast. I'm not going to take it. There are so many cards. So let me adjust my deck again and take the cards again. So what are the meaning of King of Cups? What is the meaning of King of Cups? Wow. Seven of Cups at bottom of the deck. There was an Eight of Pentacle energy here too, right? Yeah. Yeah, right. You are moving ahead, Aquarius, with this Eight of Cups. You are leaving a situation and you are moving towards achieving Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. You are leaving a situation. Okay, can you see there is a girl who is walking away? You are walking away from the situation. You are walking away from the conflicts. Five of Wands, conflicts around you. You are walking away from this energy and you are gaining your strength back. You are gaining your strength back. You are working so hard now on yourself. You want your wish to be fulfilled and you are working towards it. You are working as Eight of Pentacles. You are working so now you are putting efforts on yourself, not on another person or not on other relationship, I can say. You are not putting efforts on that now. You're putting efforts and energy towards yourself. And you got the Emperor. This is the King of Cups energy. This person is the Emperor. He's rising as an Emperor. Wow, the Emperor is there. And Emperor is the combination of all the kings of in tarot, Aquarius. King of Cups, okay. Every all the king combination makes a Emperor, okay. So now you're getting your Emperor and now you're putting efforts in this energy, maybe. You're putting efforts in yourself, and you're putting energy, you're putting your efforts in this relationship, this new person relationship. You are walking away from this conflicts, you're walking away from these conflicts, you're walking away, you're putting your strength back. Very nice. See what I'm having. This is your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. 9 of Cups. Because you manifested this. Wow. Magician, this is you again. Magician also belongs to Aquarius. So you manifested your 9 of Cups energy. Maybe you are having lot of options with this 7 of Cups. You were having lot of options, but you are getting your wish fulfilled, Aquarius, by getting this person manifested in your life. You're getting your Emperor. You're getting your wish fulfilled with this 9 of Cups. That's what I was telling you, that you are walking away to get your 9 of Cups. You are leaving this situation behind. 8 of Cups, you're leaving this situation behind. You are walking away to get your 9 of Cups, and here it is, 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups is here because you were manifesting it. You were manifesting it, Aquarius. You want your wish to be fulfilled. That's why you are getting it. You're getting your wish fulfilled. Wow, beautiful, Aquarius. You manifested the right thing. You have all the tools and energy and things to manifest, and you were manifesting your wish to be granted, your wish to be present, the wish to be fulfilled, and here it is. You were having lots of options, but you're getting your wish fulfilled, Aquarius. Wow. Wow, wow. Let me see. What is the Star card? Okay. What is the meaning of Star card? Explain me the meaning of Star card. Help me out to explain me the meaning of Star card. What is the meaning of Star card? Explain me the meaning of Star card. Okay. Okay. Knight of Cups, 5 of Swords, and 2 of Wands. They're making a decision over you, or you are making a decision over you, and this person will bring you. This is Knight of Cups. A romantic entry, okay, Aquarius, in your life. A person, can you see this man is holding flowers in the hand, Knight of Cups. They will love you. They are giving you new hopes and desires. They are giving you new hopes and desires, Aquarius. 5 of Swords and 2 of Wands. Maybe you are deciding, you are taking a decision between two persons, between two energy. You are taking a decision whether you want this 5 of Swords energy, or you want this Knight of Cup energy. You are deciding. You are making a decision whether you want this headache, or you want this romantic new love cycle in your life. You are deciding it. Wow, Aquarius. Let me explain more. I need to explain this cards more. What is the Star card? What is the Star card? What is the meaning of Star card? Okay. Judgment is there in the bottom of the deck. Wow. Yeah, see, that's what. 9 of Wands. You are very guarded, Aquarius, right now. You are very guarded. Some of you are being very defensive, and you are very being defensive. Why you are being very defensive? Because there was 7 of Swords energy. Deceptive, lies, manipulations were there in the past. That's why you are protecting your energy, and you are you get this thing from the past person. They were so toxic, narcissist behavior. I can say they give you only deceptions, lies, manipulation only. That's why you are guarding yourself now, and you are turning yourself in a hermit energy, and that is the card before the Star card. See, from the both decks. I'm getting the same cards from the both decks for you, Aquarius. In both of the decks, you are taking hermit mode. You are turning yourself into within. Okay, you are turning yourself within. When you getting your answers, you're seeking answers from within. That what my soul wants to know. You are healing yourselves. You are working on yourself, because we can't change. 2020 is the recording reading time. Okay, because you cannot change the other person, but you can work on yourself, you can heal yourself. Okay, so that's what you are doing. You are healing yourself. You're putting the end to the Seven of Swords energy, lies, deception, and manipulative energy or people around you. And you are right now, maybe some of you Aquarius are very defensive, very guarded. Okay, but you are deciding to take a decision, Aquarius. You are ready to take a decision. Now you're choosing between two persons or two directions. You are deciding which way you want to choose, because this is the two energy. One is giving you this headaches, Five of Swords, and one person is ready to give you love, the things which you were deserving, which you deserve, which you were expecting it. So these two energy is there. That's why you are rising as a star. You are getting new hopes and desires. It's in your hand, Aquarius. It's in your hand. You are taking a decision. You are on a crossroads to take a decision. Yeah, so that's what the thing is. And there will be an equal amount of give and take in the new relationship, Aquarius. Six of Pentacles was also there. So the new person will treat you very well, because they know the value of you. They know the value of love. They will give you, there will be an equal amount of give and take. There will be a balance in the situation. There will be a balance. Okay, so yeah, that's what the main reading is, the explanation of these cards. Let me see, what is this death card? What is ending? What is the death card? What is the meaning of death card? What is the meaning of death card? Okay, Page of Cups. What is the meaning of the death card? Help me out to explain the meaning of death card. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Four of Pentacles. To know the meaning of death card. Okay. Wow. Literally wow. Yeah. Page of Swords is the bottom of the deck I am having. Okay. So yeah, Aquarius, see what I'm having. Death, Hangman, and the Magician again. You are finding your heart, Aquarius. You are finding your soulmate. You are trying to get your better half, the half of your cup. You are looking for that, and you are holding a lot, holding back energy with this Four of Pentacles. You are holding back. You are holding your pentacles. This pentacle resembles money, not money, in my reading, because I'm doing your love reading, I'm not doing your career reading. So you are trying to hold back a lot, and now you are ending a situation. Death card again in the explanation of death again. See, the more I am doing the explanation of your cards, I'm getting the same cards for you with the both in the both of the decks. So you are ending a situation so that you can take a rebirth. Death card means ending of a cycle, ending of something so that something new can start. So you are ending a situation, you are putting the energy of an hangman, and you are manifesting again. You are taking a pause. Okay, you are slowing your speed, you're putting on pause, taking the energy of an hangman, and you are manifesting the new hopes and desires, Aquarius, and you are getting it. You are getting it. There is so many confirmation. See, hermit. From both of the decks I can say this. Hermit energy in both of the decks. Death energy in both of the decks. Nine of Pentacles in both of the decks. Okay, Aquarius. And Three of Swords. Three of Swords is there. So there were some hearts, broken hearts energy. Okay, pain, deception, lies, hurtful situations, heartaches. Both of the deck I'm getting it. I'm getting the main cards, same cards for both of you. Then Eight of Pentacles in both decks. Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. So yeah, this is your reading. So this was your reading, Aquarius. The deeper meaning of your main reading. You are getting out of that situation, and most important, Aquarius, the World card is there in also there in your main reading, and in the extended reading also I get the World card from other deck too. So you're completing a cycle, Aquarius. You are completing a cycle. I am going to take this too. You're leaving a situation behind and you are ready to cut any of the bullshit. That's very nice, Aquarius. I'm proud of you. I am proud of you. You are putting efforts in a situation that is no longer serving your best. Okay, you don't deserve this energy, Aquarius, at all. So you are putting an end to that situation, that cycle, and you are getting out of that thing. So that's why you are getting new hopes and desires in life. You're getting something new. Very nice. So yeah, that's what I was getting for you, my lovely Aquarius. Let's see, let's add some bonus messages for you from numerology deck. I'm going to use it. Let's see what they want to tell me. Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Creativity. Help me out to give the best possible messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Environment. Creativity. Help me out to give the best positive messages. Okay, moderation, love, partnership. Okay. Help me out to give the best positive messages. I'm getting too many. Okay. Rebirth was there. Okay. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Help me out to give any of the message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give any other message which I need to deliver. Adventure. Any other message which I need to deliver. Help me out. Guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give any other message. Any other message which I need to deliver. Any other message. Again, teaching and learning is there at the bottom of the deck. And love. You are manifesting this. Manifestation, love. Yeah, you are manifesting love in your life. So yeah. So these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Creativity. You are born creative. You are the creative pupil, Aquarius. Okay, if you do not know this, I'm going to tell you out this. Use your creativity if you are not using it. If you are not using it, use your creativity is the first message for you. Environment. Try to focus on more environment. Maybe environment wants to give you some messages. Okay. And the moderation. Take a look on your eating habits, Aquarius. Maybe you are eating something which is not good for your mental spiritual peace, Aquarius. Okay, so work on your eat as healthy as you can do. Okay, don't eat junk foods. Okay, eat leaves, vegetables, vegetarian food. Okay, so try to look at your diet basically. Okay, moderation is there, and there is a love partnership. Okay, so there is a love partnership for you. Adventure is waiting for you, Aquarius. And next is communication, 8 of wands energy around you. And one more thing, there is a number synchronicity. I can say you in these three. 33, 44, 3030 was the recording time too. So 33, 44 and 55, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there is a synchronicity in the numbers too. Wow. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's add soul journey message. Not soul journey message. Let me add an animal spirit message for you. I'm going to do more bonus messages. I'm going to divide this video into 2 parts, Aquarius. Okay, so I'm going to upload one more video in which you will get more messages. Okay, I'm going to do a more video because I'm getting more messages for you, and I want to deliver all the messages which I am getting for you. I will make one more video in which I'm going to tell you more messages. So yeah, let's add an animal spirit. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to give the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out, guides, God, universe, spirits, guides, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best positive messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay. Wow. Bottom of the deck. Trust in divine detour. Quiet spirit. Trust in divine detours. So yeah, I got messages for you. Let me adjust my card so that I can tell you out. Scrap beetle spirit. Magic works through you, Aquarius. Yes, you are the magician, Aquarius. Magician belongs to you. You can manifest any of the thing which you require. You have the tools to manifest things in your life, Aquarius. So magic works through you. Okay, squirrel spirit. Believe in yourself. Very important message. Believe in yourself, Aquarius. Next message is lizard spirit. Dream the world into being. Dream the world into being. And next message is very important, and I will tell you this message that it's very important for you to understand this, Aquarius. Groundhog spirit. Time to let go. Let go of the 3 of swords, 9 of swords, or 10 of swords energy, toxic energy, narcissist energy, toxic pupil from your life as soon as possible. Now is the time to let go of them. Once you let go of them, you will manifest, you will be able to manifest great things in your life, Aquarius. Just let go of the negativity of your life. Next message is dragonfly spirit. Truth transcends illusion. Truth transcends illusion. Very important message. Wow. And next message, dove spirit. Be peace. Yes, Aquarius, it's time to let go and be peace. Heal yourself and be peace. So yes, these were the messages for you from the animal spirit. Okay, thank you so much, animal spirit, for giving the best message to my lovely Aquarius. So these are the bonus love reading to you, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope it helped you out in some manner. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. I'm here to help you out, and I will be very happy to helping you out in some manner, Aquarius. Okay, so let go of the negative things as soon as possible you can, so that new things can come. And yes, new beginnings are there, new things, new person are there in your life, who is ready to come in your life to give you all the things which you deserve, Aquarius. So in the next video, I'm going to do lots of messages, lots of reading for you. So see you soon, Aquarius, in that video. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Till the time, you take care of yourself, Aquarius, and heal yourself. See you soon, Aquarius.